What's going on, guys? Right here we have a Top Race RC plane with a 3-channel remote. It's an RTF, which means it is ready to fly straight out of the box. Anyways, I'm super excited to review this plane. This is my first RC plane review. I'm known for doing drones, but now we're expanding the channel. We are doing planes as well. So I'm super excited to do this review. Anyways, let's get right into it. Alright, so I guess let's get this out of the way. The remote control has 3 modes. You have a beginner mode, which is what you want to do when you first start out flying the plane. You're going to put it all the way up into the front. That's beginner mode. Intermediate, this is what I typically lean towards flying in, is for, people who've been flying it for a little bit and they want to get a little bit more experimental. And expert, obviously, that's pretty self-explanatory. It takes away the gyro stabilization, which I'm not a fan of. I personally really like the gyro stabilization, which is why I prefer to fly it in intermediate mode. As I said, the stabilization on here is a 6 gyro stabilization, which means the plane will keep itself level in the air while it is flying, even in some serious wind. Like I was saying, it's an RTF, so it's ready to fly straight out of the box. It gives you 2 batteries, a USB charger, and 2 break-off propellers. So that means when you crash it into the ground, the propellers will automatically break off, so it won't damage the internal motors, or it won't damage the actual propeller itself. Like I said, you get 2 propellers, and you get 2 propeller adapters too. So anyways, let's take this guy out for a flight test. Alright, so we have the plane right here, and we also have the controller. So the first step is to just plug the plane battery into the actual plane. So we're just going to plug it in. Oh, it's this way. Hold on, guys. There we go. It's plugged in right now. We can push this in a little bit. Pack it in. Alright, guys, so we have the plane battery plugged in. Now it's time for the controller. So we're going to turn the controller on. So once you hear that beep, you want to move the left-hand stick up. It's going to beep, and then down. It's also going to beep like that. So once we move this, the motor will start. A little bit more you push it, the harder it goes. Like that. So now I'm going to get up and toss it like this. Just going to toss it. You don't want to toss it down. You just want to toss it kind of pushing it up. There's no wind right now, so let's go. All right. So it's flying out right now. Got really close to the ground there. Now let's take it back. Oh, that was kind of hard. All right, guys, keep in mind with this plane, it's pretty light. It's made of foam, and we're battling 10-mile-an-hour winds right now. So it's not going to be the smoothest flight. Also, just so you know, right here, there is beginner mode, intermediate, and advanced. I'm going to put it in intermediate. That's the wind right there. That's all wind forcing it. That's all just straight into the wind. That's with the wind. That's just me cutting the power like that. Let's go back into the wind. Oh, I lost control there for a second. We'll try to land this. That was somewhat smooth, guys.
What's it made out of?
Foam.
Foam?
Yeah.
That's very cool.
That is.
Yeah. It's actually pretty cheap. It was only like $60 for this.
How
guy.
much?
60.
60?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh. We crashed right here. And it's all good. See, this thing can take a beating, guys. I mean, I've crashed this so many times and it's still in perfect condition. This is a super easy to fly beginner plane, and I highly recommend that you pick it up. Seriously, if you're trying to figure out how to fly, it's not too expensive. Depending on where you get it, it's between $70 and $90. So it's not going to break the bank. And besides, this thing can take a beating when you crash it. So great plane to learn how to fly. I'd highly recommend picking one up. I'll leave links for multiple places to buy this guy in the description below. This is my first ever plane review, so I'm just working out how to do like the format of these reviews. Anyways though, thanks for watching. Drop me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.